see Ozzy? You want me to see your car? You want to see your car? Woo! Hey, Ozzy. Boo. Whoa.
Still water coming out of it.
Mommy washed them good. Charlie Bug. Charlie Bug. Charlie Bug. Charlie Bug. Can you say, hey, Ozzy. Hey, Daddy. Hey, Mama. Say car. Car. Daddy, is he petting Ozzy? Yeah. You waving? There we go. You waving? Charlie, say bye-bye. 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 There you go. Good job. Good job, Boo-Boo. Good job. Good job. Nope, nope, not a good job. No, not a good job. Hey, hey. What you getting into? Huh? Oh, is that hard to open? Yeah, it's hard to open. Hey, Daddy, I wonder what's in here. What's in here, Daddy? That's a drawer. What's you got something on your hand? Oh. Say, Daddy, maybe you can open that drawer for me and let me see what's in there. Hi. You want to check out that car again? Yeah. You looking at Ozzy? Trying to get his car. Looking at her.
Touching feet.
You guys need to be careful. Oh, oh.
Can you get me back?
I got that on camera. Thank goodness. That's great. Gosh, that's great. That was so funny. No, that was not funny. You have to be good and wash your hair tonight. Ozzy, how did you like that? That was good for you? Alright, Charlie Bug, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. It's bath time. Yes, yes it is. Yes, it's bath time. Yeah. Oh, yes it is. Yes, ma'am. Uh-huh. Time to get a bath. Say bye-bye, folks. Bye-bye. Charlie, can you wave? No. No, I cannot. Ozzy is gonna attack the toys too. Say night, night. Night, night, Charlie Bug. Night, night, folks. Here we go again. Here we go again. Come on. Come through. Oh. All right. Bye-bye.